Okay, let's begin with installing this on a PC. We're going to need to download Wamp, which is going to be our server. We're going to need WordPress, and we're going to need the Easy Appointments WordPress plugin. Okay, if we go to Google and we type in Easy Appointments, you'll see that there is the Easy Appointments Scheduling with EasyAppointments.org. That's the main website. There is here a listing for GitHub. There's a listing here for WordPress Easy Space Appointments WordPress plugin. That is not the same plugin. Okay, what we're doing is the Easy Appointments plugin, which is a new one that's still in development, but at least two of us have got it working to what we consider our satisfaction. Okay, so let's take a look at the support group, because that's where, if you click on this, you're going to get to the support group. And here you can find information on troubleshooting, asking for help, source code modifications, future requests. And if we go into source code modifications, we'll see that somewhere in here, they're going to, as new items are added, it's going to scroll. There's a thread on the WordPress plugin. This thread that was initiated by Craig Tucker, contains instructions on how to do this. We've written them up. A couple of us have worked together and put together what we think are fairly good instructions. We can tweak them, of course. And this is the video based on those instructions. Okay. As we mentioned, we're going to need the Wamp server because we're operating on a local PC. So if we type in Wamp, we're going to see that wampserver.com/en for English, and since I speak English, that's the one I'm going to go to. If I go to that, we have the opportunity to download this onto our local PC. There's instructions on installing it. There's instructions on, there's the two options for downloading, 32-bit or 64-bit, and you see it says PHP 5.5, so that's what we're looking for. We're installing this on a Windows 7 64-bit, so this would be the one that we download. Now, we're not going to show you that now. We're assuming that you know how to do downloads and you know how to extract zip files. So we're going to save time by not showing you all of that. So let's assume we've done that and it's downloaded. The next thing we'll need is our WordPress installation. So we're going to go to WordPress.com. You want to go to WordPress.org. So we need to type in .org. Now, with WordPress.org, that is where you can download WordPress. Okay, so we just download the latest version. Currently it's 4.31. This will change over time, so when you're viewing this, that may have changed already. But we'll click that and we'll download that to our local PC. Okay, now the last thing we need would be the Easy Appointments plugin itself. That is located on GitHub. Okay, so if we put that in Google, we find GitHub and we click on that, we're taken to GitHub. Now here in the search bar, we're going to put Easy Appointments. And it's going to bring back several threads, several areas. One is the basic Easy Appointments, which is the primary. And then there's the one that's the Easy Appointments WP plugin. And that's what we're looking for. That's what we need, is the plugin. So if we click on this, we're going to have the option to download a zip file. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to download this zip file onto our PC. Now, if we've done all this, what we should have is a download folder on our PC that contains the Easy Appointments WordPress plugin zip file, the WordPress zip file, and the Wamp server executable. We've already extracted the files out of these zip files so we can use them. Now what we're going to need to do is to initiate the Wamp server.